everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you my homemade DIY eye mask, and this eye mask I have been using from over a year now, and I'm very excited to share with you because I'm very sure about the result. I used to suffer with major eye puffiness and even started getting dark circles and fine lines, maybe because of lack of sleep or maybe because of the stress. But after trying this eye mask, I started noticing a lot of changes around my eyes, and continuously trying this eye mask, I got rid of all the problems that I have. And if you guys also suffer same like me with your under eye puffiness, dark circles or fine lines, this DIY mask is going to help you a lot. Believe me guys, this DIY has done wonders. If you have seen my previous video where I have shown my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, you will notice that I hardly have any dark circles. That is all because of this eye mask. Since the time I started using this eye mask, I have never gone back and purchased any of those market ready-made eye patches which are easily available, and I'm sure they are very expensive. This eye mask is very simple to make. You just need 2 ingredients out of your kitchen. You just need a half a potato and half a cucumber. If you want more cooling effect, you can refrigerate for 1 or 2 hours, even for overnight, and take it out in the morning or evening whenever you want to prepare this eye mask. Just take a half a potato and half a cucumber. Make sure you don't peel it, because even the peel of this 2 ingredient has a lot of vitamins in them. Take a grater and grate it into a fine pieces. Mix this potato and cucumber, mix it well together. You'll see a lot of water is being released from the mixture, which is completely okay. Just make 2 equal pieces and put it on your eyes. Let it sit for next 20 minutes, and for 20 minutes just relax. You will also notice that a lot of water is being released from the eye mask. Just keep a piece of cloth or a tissue paper and keep wiping the water that is being released from the mask. Cucumber and the potatoes are filled with water. That's the reason why they are very hydrating to the skin. Potatoes and cucumbers are very rich in vitamin K and vitamin C, which is very good for pigmentation and dark circles. Potatoes are known for its natural bleaching property, which is very good for your dark circles, and even this eye mask helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. It also helps to alleviate any kind of swelling and inflammation caused due to tired eyes. After working long in front of computer, if you want to just give little break to your eyes, you can use this quick eye mask and you see the changes right after 20 minutes. Along with trying this eye mask, make sure to drink plenty of water. Even if you're indoor, outdoor, drink plenty of water and get plenty of good sleep. And try not to take stress. Do try this eye mask and come back to my page, share your experience with all of us. This is it for today. If you liked my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye bye.